Today's our first sea day as we start our 7-day Bahamas cruise, and we'll leave a link below for our embarkation of 2 days in New York prior to our cruise if you haven't already checked these out. A normal start today is always breakfast and solarium, which is nice and relaxing, and then followed by the many activities: zip line, slides, mini golf and the abyss. Now it's off on the rising tide to Central Park. Royal can be a bit of a nickel and dime, so book your drinks package as soon as you can, and if the price drops then rebook it and cancel your first booking if you have the drinks package like us. After relaxing to jazz in the park, it's our first film night. This is normally always on the first sea day. Tonight we're off to Azumi, hibachi and sushi for our very first time. Having never done this before, we're both slightly apprehensive. However, we had shrimp firecracker rolls, they are fantastic, chicken courage, creamy lobster, ryu futamaki rolls, champagne lobster rolls, chicken teriyaki. Desserts, we had crispy sesame balls and assorted matcha ice cream, and it was absolutely fantastic. And now it's off to the ice rink for tonight's show. However, stay tuned because you don't want to miss the aqua show coming tomorrow. And to think this is all on a cruise ship, and here's some small clips of the show.
Celebrate the Queen's Silver Jubilee.
Well, what a great first day, and this morning we're off to Johnny Rockets for breakfast. It's 3 before 9, and again, always quite quiet away from the crowds. Plus, F1 is on live, so we can watch it on the screens at Playmakers. So it's just coming up before midday as we sail down the Florida coastline, as today we port in Orlando at Port Canaveral. It's bakingly hot here on the Florida coast today, and we decided to stay on the ship and not do any of the excursions. But if you haven't been to NASA, then we recommend you do this. It's an excellent day there with loads to see and do. Or you could obviously go to Disney or Universal, but it's well over an hour each way on the coach and really not worth it. We prefer to do this on a separate holiday, or simply enjoy your day at the beach. You can just make out NASA in the distance there, and to the right of that you can see the rocket launch pad. It's that hot, even my lens has steamed up now. You may have noticed Wonder of the Seas as we sailed in, and now it's time for the sister ship to sail out off to Coco Cay. We did wonder when it first came out, and we'll put a link below if you'd like to check it out. And now here comes MSC Seashore off to Ocean Cape. We have sailed on its sister ship, MSC Seaside, in Yacht Club, and we think it's possibly the best yacht club layout in their fleet. And again, we'll put a link below if you're interested. Tonight we're at the Aqua Show, Hero. These Aqua Shows, in our belief, are a must-see event, and I managed to get some shots from above as well. Any of Real's Aqua Shows never disappoint. Nike. You may have noticed it's Royals White Night tonight, but unfortunately there's only MSC who can get White Night pumping in our view. Do you agree? Leave a comment below. Rounding the night off in the Copper and Kettle. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed our travels, please consider a like and even subscribe. And next time we're at Nassau, Coco Cay, and we're going back to Hideaway Beach, and then on to New York.